From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could wake up feeling more organized and in control every single day with a smart alarm clock that truly understands your needs? The Alarm Clock Intelligent Multifunction from Huanju is here to revolutionize your mornings. This king-size alarm clock is a top-rated and best-selling product that has been well-reviewed by many customers who have experienced its benefits firsthand. With the ability to choose two groups of alarm clocks, you can easily separate your life and work schedules, ensuring that your daily routine is organized and not chaotic. The 6 groups of ringtones allow you to freely change the sound to your liking, whether you prefer a gentle melody or a more upbeat tune to start your day. You can also adjust the volume at will, so you can wake up to a gentle whisper or a loud alert, depending on your preference. The voice control feature is particularly useful, as it allows you to tell the time without looking up, keeping you informed and on track throughout the day. Additionally, the indoor temperature reminder keeps you aware of the cold and heat, helping you plan your day accordingly. For instance, if you know it's going to be a hot day, you can dress lightly and stay cool, or if it's going to be cold, you can bundle up and stay warm. This alarm clock is better than others on the market because it provides a comprehensive and personalized wake-up experience. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, this alarm clock helps you stay on top of your schedule and start your day feeling refreshed and focused. Overall, the Alarm Clock Intelligent Multifunction from Huanju is a great investment for anyone looking to upgrade their morning routine and take control of their day. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.